Today we're going to be making plain hamburgers. Don't forget to give me a like and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So first we're going to put oil on our grill or pan, whichever you're using. We're going to put our bread and we're going to make it a little bit toasty. Now we're gonna move onto the patty. We're gonna put salt, pepper, and I like to put a little bit of onion powder. I'm gonna do 2 by 2. Salt, pepper, and onion powder on the other side. We're gonna cook them for 5 minutes if you want it well done. 3 to 4 minutes if you want it medium rare. Now we're gonna flip them again, and then we're gonna add the cheese. And then cover them until the cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, we'll put it in our bun, and it's all done. Pretty easy and fast. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.